Well, good morning, everyone. How are you doing this fine winter day? It is Valentine's Day, the day that all men get excited about. They jump out of bed in the morning because they're so excited. It's Valentine's Day. Woo! Right? Wrong. Guys don't like Valentine's Day because it costs them money. At least that's my personal take on it. Plus, it's my birthday and I feel gypped every year. So yeah, it's my birthday. I turned 50 today. Yippee-ki-yay. So double on both of them, okay? So now, what's the deal with Valentine's Day? Why don't we like it? Because it costs money. It's gonna cost you at least $25 if you want to get by cheap. More like $50 if you want to send flowers. If you want them delivered, $75, right? And it goes up from there if you want to buy jewelry. But today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do Valentine's Day for under $10. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody, welcome to 1-800-Flowers.com, hashtag not sponsored. We're going to go over here to the Valentine's section, and we're going to go down to bestsellers because, you know what? I want my wife to get one of the best sellers. Not. Anyway, let's take a look here what we got. We got this, it looks like it's a combination of carnation and roses. Nice tall vase for $119 to $144.99. Same day florist delivery. What? That is crazy. Most popular is $195 to $155 to ship this thing right there. So that is just insane. So can we sort this by cheapest maybe? I wonder if we can price low to high. There we go, low to high. We're gonna go cheap. What's the cheapest option here? So right here, Fields of Europe Romance. Oh, that sounds so beautiful. Fields of... Well, then I want that one, apparently, because that's the cheapest one for $50 freaking dollars, which is insane. Oh, look at that. Extra large. I can upgrade it to $79.99. No, I'm going to take the small because I'm a cheap bastard. Now, let's take a look at this. You get this tiny little vase with a few flowers and a ribbon around it. That's $49. Now I'm going to type in my zip code. Let's see what this comes up. And we're going to send it to a business because it needs to go to work. And we're going to do it for today. Oh, it won't even let me choose today. Look at that. I'll have to send it tomorrow. That'll be good. All right. And then I want to select a Valentine's Day balloon. And I want to select a small stuffed animal. And I want to add all that to the cart. And so for me to get by with the cheapest possible thing that would look good, I am looking at $70. And I'll bet you $1 to a donut there's going to be subtotal excludes shipping, discounts, and tax. Let's just keep going here. Okay, so here we go. I entered all my information. And it's going to be a $14.99 service charge. What are you servicing me for? Why don't they just say delivery charge, right? So it's going to be $15 for them to deliver it, which you can get a pizza delivered for free or a few dollars, tip. But all right, whatever. And then tax. So it's going to cost me $93.26 to get the cheapest flowers, a single balloon, and a little stuffed pear to show my wife that I love her. We aren't going to be doing that stuff. So why am I doing this in the first place? Am I broke? No, not at all. Not that I'm broke, actually it's that I have kids. So if you have any kids or grandkids that are in dance classes, you know how expensive it can be and the amount of fees that are just outrageous. And they charge you for everything under the sun. And my daughter is a senior this year, so she has a special dance she has to do. And that requires a choreographer and choreographer fees and a costume and costume fees and all that stuff. And all that stuff came out this month in February, of course. So I might be a little short this month. Well, not really, but I'm just not going to spend $100 to $150 on a bouquet of flowers that are going to get thrown away in 5 to 7 days. She can throw away my $10 and I could really care less. All right, guys, if you're going to pull this off, the first thing you have to do is find your wife's vase collection. Take a look. From there, you choose your poison. Why? Because it's free. So the first stop on our travel adventures today, the Bargain Bonanza, where I know they have all their Valentine's Day stuff 50% off. Oh yeah. Don't have a vase? No problem. 50 cents. Use a mason jar. Put a ribbon around it. Bottle. 50 cents.
Is that your receipt today? Thanks. That was just $1, not $1.09. So it'll be 50 cents altogether.
50 cents even?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So the cashier said that bear was not $1.09, but $1, and so I got it for 50 cents today. That's a great start. So now we're off to get some flowers. We're at, of all places, Aldi's. Flowers by Shane. There we go. So pretty. So the flowers were $3.99 a bunch. So that is $7.98. This guy here was a whopping 50 cents. Let's see here. Should we just set them down maybe? Yeah, that's pretty cute, isn't it? Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And then we'll attach him with this string. Alright, so there you have it, folks. That is how you do a Valentine's Day for less than $10. So we got $7.98 in the flower, 50 cents in the bear, 50 cents in the card that I've still got to write, and $1 in the balloon, which makes this a whopping $9.98, and that is how you do Valentine's Day on the cheap. Alright, well, mission accomplished. Just got done dropping the flowers off at the school here, so it's all good. And of course the ladies in the office, and one of her best friend teachers was in the office, and they're like, "Oh, you're just the nicest husband ever." I'm like, "Yeah, but I'm cheap." So guys, if you have any thoughts or any ideas on how to do Valentine's Day or wedding anniversaries or stuff like that on the cheap, put them down in the comments. If you can figure out a way to save money on flowers, love to hear it, because that's the most expensive part of this. And I honestly think that there's a market out there if you could figure out how to get flowers from the website delivered for 30 bucks and have them look nice. I think you'd have a ton of customers in no time. But and I'd probably be one of them. But at the same time, I must say I enjoyed trying to keep this under the $10 budget this year, and because of that, it was kind of fun. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And again, leave a comment below if you have some idea on how we can save it. Maybe next year we can do Valentine's Day for $5. We'll see. Take care, everybody.